Two buses leave Quezon City at the same time and travel in opposite directions. One bus averages 80 kilometer per hour and the other bus averages 70 kilometer per hour. The problem is, how long will it take them to be 450 kilometers per hour? 450 kilometers apart. How long? Gaano raw katagal? Letter A, 1 hour, B, 2 hours, C, 3 hours, and D, 4 hours. Alright? O, alam naman natin, ang distance is equal yan kay speed times time. Yan yung distance. So, since ang usapan natin is distance, dito, distance kasi to 450 kilometers apart. So, isosolve natin yung distance ng kada bus. Okay, yung one bus, 80 kilometer per hour. So, ang distance niya is 80 T, time. O, small letter T lang pala. Okay, ito yung bus 1. Bus number 1. Yung bus number 2, 70 kilometer per hour. So, paano yung distance niya? 70 T, no? Kada oras. Sa isang oras, makaka-70 siya. Ngayon, ang sabi dyan, pag pinag-plus natin 'to, ito yung 450 kilometers, no? Ito 'yun. Yung total distance nila, 450. So, solve for time. Kasi ang tanong natin, how long? Gaano raw katagal? So, how long? Solve natin. 80t plus 70t, that is 150t. Okay? Ang hinahanap natin yung time, yung t. So, divide both side by 150. So, maka-cancel yan. So, ilang time natin? Time, 450 divided by 150, 3. So, we have 3 hours, letter C. Okay? Yan, letter C. Pwede show the solution po. O, yan. Ito yung solution, Cesar. Ayan. Naintindihan ba? Naintindihan?